Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Carnisha. In case you're new here, thank you for joining. I'm going to be feeding my kids tonight. I'm making some mac and cheese, the box kind. I'm making some spinach, the can kind. And I'm making some steak, the thin. Y'all don't make me laugh. The thin kind. Y'all, these steaks are so thin. Why is they so thin? I ain't know that, y'all. It's like shaved steak or something like that. It should be good, though. I'm about to put some peppers up in there and put some gravy up in it, too, y'all. I'm seasoning right now with some seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and I got some steak seasoning I'm putting up in there, too, y'all. Y'all, I had this onion and bell pepper blend for the longest, y'all. I done cooked like 4 or 5 meals with this. It's still lasting and going strong. I'm definitely gonna be buying that again. And for this part, y'all, I don't got no can opener in this hotel room. So, but don't try this at home, y'all. Cause this can to cut you down to the bone, y'all. Be careful with that. I'm only doing that cause I ain't got no can opener. That's all. But y'all know me, Mrs. Make It Work Queen. This was the only canned good that we had, the only vegetable we had. So I'm just making this real quick because this is something that my kids actually eat. And right here, I'm putting butter up in this. This the spinach, y'all. I only got one pot, so I'm going to have to put the spinach in the microwave to cook. And when I'm cooking the spinach, I just put butter, seasoning, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper in it. But yeah, so I'm putting the spinach inside the microwave to cook, y'all. I'm about to cook the meat up in this pot. And then I'm about to take it out. And then I'm about to heat the macaroni up. And then make our plate. Y'all finna see. I'm inside the suitcase. I'm inside the suitcase. Come here, Camille. I'm inside the suitcase. I'm inside of the suitcase. I will prove it to you. This how it looks, y'all. I don't know what type of steak this is. It's like some type of thinly sliced steak. You don't see a shirt? It's over here. Look in that. Look in that. For who? You? He got a shirt in there. In this bag right there, Zion got a shirt. I'm wearing this. Zion already got a shirt. You need pants underwear. He got pants in there. I got a little sleeve. In that bag. I got a little pants. What are you doing? You should just strap them down. Don't leave them like that. She just slap them down. Like a fruit bean. It's smoking out. It doesn't smell hot, but. That's interesting. It smells.
Don't forget about that. Some fat stuff.
Y'all finna eat. I'm trying to put everything in bowls to make it easier for me to make the plates and to make it easier for me to clean up if there's anything left. That's all I'm doing, y'all. But we already took the spinach out the microwave. It's sitting right there. Ooh, that look good. That look good, y'all. And I got the meat right there covered up to keep it hot and everything. I'm about to make plates right now. And some macaroni. I know we need some hot sauce. Y'all see, y'all, look at that. Like a school lunch line. Move right through the line, right through the line. Right through, coming through. We about to make Khalil play first, as always, y'all. As always. And then we about to make Zion play, and then Dylan play, then my play. It really don't matter as long as everybody get their food, or do it matter? I don't know, y'all. Let me know, do that matter? But yeah, we got the macaroni. I'm putting gravy on my baby stuff. This must be Zion's right here. I'm giving them a lot of spinach because they like spinach. And Zion, he like meat. Zion like meat. So yeah, we is how you say that? Carnivores. How you say it? We is carnivores. No, we omnivores. We like meat too. Even Khalil, y'all, even my baby, he eat what I eat. Like that, straight like that. You know what I'm saying? Now this Dylan, y'all. Now if I can just hand Dylan this whole Tupperware bowl of macaroni, he'll eat it all. But I still ain't make my plate yet, so. But sometimes when I do that, he don't even eat it all. So nah, he just gonna get this little bit that's in his bowl right now. Eat that first, boo-boo, and then you can get some more, you know. But on this day, y'all, they was still playing. Like, as I'm making their food, they was still playing. They wasn't even that excited to eat, y'all. I don't know why. I think it was the choice of meat. I don't know. But Dylan, he don't never eat all the meat. He don't never eat every meat. You know what I'm saying? So me and Zion, we finna bang this meat. We got gravy too with peppers and onions too. We finna bang that, y'all.
Let me see.
Is it blue?
Yes, that's blue.
It looks blue. It used to be green. Now it looks blue. You the one that wants to get down. Now you trying to get back up? Look at that, what?
Wait, the chameleon can change colors.
Well, this my plate right here I'm making, y'all. I'm about to say Khalil with a little macaroni in there. Or for whoever else who want a little bit more, I'm about to load my plate up with gravy. And don't say I got too much gravy, y'all. I love the gravy with the onions and bell peppers right there on top of my macaroni. Y'all, this food was so good. Look at that, y'all. With the peppers and stuff on there, y'all. Y'all, I was so hungry, y'all. I couldn't even think straight, y'all. Like, for real. I don't know whether to put the food up, wipe the table down, do the dishes first, y'all. I ain't even know. But I got this leftover dinner roll. Look at me putting more gravy, y'all. More gravy, more gravy. It's so sad. I'm a gravy fiend. A gravy fiend. But I got this leftover Hawaiian roll I'm finna eat with my food, and I'm about to give my kids their food. They still playing, y'all. Believe it or not, they still playing. That's why I'm doing this voiceover, because they screaming. When they play, they scream. They get loud. They get loud when they play, y'all. Just like now, I can't even do the voiceover. Khalil over here pulling the drawer out, slamming it closed. Here go our plate right here, but this how I like my food. You see all that gravy, y'all?